It's time to jet away. Jet away to Juneau, Alaska. A quick 2-hour flight from Seattle on Alaska Airlines lands you in the middle of all the legendary experiences you'd expect to find on a trip to Alaska. Glaciers, wildlife, and wilderness are literally minutes from the heart of downtown. It's the Alaska you've always wanted, and it can be yours for a weekend, a week, or longer. To start planning your Juneau getaway, call our toll-free number or visit alaskasummerfun.com today.